If your Gamma app share link is not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This is a common issue, especially when a project is set to the wrong permission level or the link was copied before the sharing settings were updated. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your Gamma link open properly and share it without any confusion. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Gamma project that has the broken share link. Make sure you're opening the correct presentation, document, or page because the sharing settings are controlled inside that specific project. Once you're inside the project, look for the Share button. This is usually located near the top of the screen, and it's the place where Gamma lets you control who can access your content. Click on Share to open the sharing options. Now take a moment to check the access permission for the link. In many cases, the problem is that the link is not set to public viewing, so other people cannot open it. If you see that the permission is restricted, change it to anyone with the link can view. This setting allows anyone who gets the link to open it without needing special access or an invitation. After you change the permission, don't skip the next step. Click Copy Link again so you make sure you are using the newest version of the share link. Sometimes people copy the link before changing permissions, and then they keep sending the old one, which can make it seem like Gamma is broken even when the issue is just the wrong copied link. Once you've copied the updated link, open a new browser tab and paste it in there to test it yourself. This is the quickest way to confirm the fix before you send it to anyone else. If the page loads properly, then your share link is now working as expected. If it still doesn't open, double-check that you are signed into the right Gamma account and that the project is actually published or shared correctly. In most cases, though, simply switching the permission to anyone with the link can view, and copying the link again solves the problem immediately. This is the part many users miss, because they assume the link itself is faulty, when really the access setting is what blocks it. So remember the full process. Open the Gamma project, click Share, check the link permission, set it to anyone with the link can view if needed, copy the link again, and test it in a new browser tab. Once that works, you can confidently share it with your team, clients, classmates, or audience. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.